Hi, I'm Nils. I'm a nutritionist and biologist from Sweden. I work in a clinic here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, with helping people to regain their health. Today we're going to talk about strength training and nutrition and supplementation. The four main pillars of overall health is your activity levels, training, exercise, it's your nutrition, it's your sleep or your recovery, and also your stress management. Today we're talking about the training part and how to use the nutrition and recovery for optimal health. First of all, we need to do some definitions. We talk about exercise and we talk about training. So what's the difference between these two? Well, exercise in general is when you activate your body in any way, biking, walking, golfing, some sort of yoga, swimming or something like that. That's part of the exercise, getting the pulse up a bit, moving your joints, moving your body. The whole objective with training is to create an exertion of your muscles so that they grow stronger tomorrow than they were yesterday. To exert your body so it knows that it has to grow stronger can be done in many different ways. You can have something called high intensity training. You can have something called high intensity interval training. You can go to the gym and lift weights. You can do squats, some types of yoga, all these things. The whole idea is that you find your way that suits you and your position in life when it comes to time, interest, if you have injuries, what kind of money you want to spend on it. I would suggest that everyone contacts some sort of a PT that can teach you a few tricks that will help you on your weight or rather strength training sessions. The common mistake most people do is that they think that you grow stronger in the gym. That is not true, because if that was true, the longer time we spend in the gym, the stronger we will get. But anyone who has been to the gym knows that you get more tired the longer time you spend there. So strength is only built during the recovery. You have to have a proper sleep and you have to have a proper nutritional intake after your training in order to grow stronger. You want to go to the gym to tell the body that it's weak. So many ways to do that. Then you have to go home and rest. When it comes to sleep, that's very, very individual. The studies says that somewhere between 7 and 9 hours of sleep per night is the optimal. There is a wide range though, and it's very personal on how much of sleep that you need. But you need to have a continuous rest, deep sleep, what they call REM sleep, R-E-M sleep, where you really go down into rest. I'm a strong proponent that before you rest, that you should fill up your nutritional intake. You should have a good nutritious meal before you go to bed, because then during sleep you will have all the recovery done. You should not eat too late though. You should finish your meal at least 3 hours before you sleep, because then it's properly digested and it's shunted out in the body, and the body can use these things to build muscles. On top of that, I would suggest a few supplements actually that will optimize your build-up and recovery. Max Pine has a range that I really like for around training. We have the Moringa Men. That's good even for women. I'll tell you why. We have the Bioflex, and we also have this SOMM Plus 72, which are all good to use after training. Before training, I would, however, suggest the Dieter Coffee. The Dieter Coffee has a number of good products that will actually boost your energy, help to improve your mitochondria's efficiency to create energy. It contains Garcinia cambogia. You have the L-carnitine that will dilate the blood vessels, create the nitric oxides for you. You have this citrus aurantium, green tea, and of course coffee. All these things will actually help you to create and release energy to your system. When it comes to recovery, the Moringa Men has been proven to increase the body's own production of testosterone. Testosterone is important both for men and for women, especially for people I would say 35 plus. After the age of 35, our normal hormone production goes down for many, many reasons. You have a poor lifestyle, poor nutrition, you're exposed to toxins and everything. But if you can have a product that will actually boost your body's own production of testosterone, that is the most safe way to do it. Testosterone is very good for anyone who wants to improve their health with training. Gives you strength and also a very good recovery. Max Spine also have this SOMM plus 72. It has a good protein profile from the soy. It's a complete protein. You have the, of course, the moringas, and you also have the MCTs from the oil. The MCTs are medium chain triglycerides, and they are used as fuel, but also in the cell membranes, meaning that if you want to grow more muscle and bigger muscles, you need cell membranes, and this will actually help you to do that. The 72 plus 72 is all the minerals. Hopefully when you train, you sweat a bit. You will push out a lot of minerals and salts, and that's kind of hard to replenish actually. But taking a supplementation with them, very good. Could also help you to some people get a bit of a tension headache after hard training, and that is more linked to loss of electrolytes and minerals. This one will take care of that. Max Spine's BioFlex, products that will help you to produce synovial fluids, the joint structures, the cartilage within the joints. You have the sea cucumber, you have the chitin extract, type 2 collagen, and these are all proven to help out with the joint health. People who grow older tend to have challenges with their joints. That is often linked to two things, either a breakdown of the joints, but also weak muscles around the joints. Hard muscle training will actually improve the joint health. But in order to optimize, we suggest BioFlex.